packing box. Clamp watch, watch pen, manual and accessories are complete. Battery installation: disassemble the back parts, and put 2 AAA batteries. AC current: adjust to the corresponding gear and range, and use the pliers to clamp the single strand to measure. Non-contact sensing: adjust to the corresponding gear. When a nearby power supply is sensed, a red light will turn on and an alarm will sound. Buzzer: adjust to the corresponding gear, test on and off, turn on the red light, and sound a beep for normal smoothness. Diode: adjust to the corresponding gear, and measure the pen corresponding to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Resistance: adjust to the corresponding gear, and the stylus can contact both ends of the resistance. Capacitance: adjust to the corresponding gear, the stylus can contact both ends of the capacitor, and short-circuit discharge is required before measurement. DC voltage: adjust to the corresponding gear, and the pen can be measured by contacting the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. AC voltage: adjust to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video.